So I picked these up from Amazon. I'm really excited. It is the wax beads or beans little waxing kit. I'll have the link listed below. I don't know if you guys have seen my hands recently. If it'll focus. Let me see, my hands are super duper hairy and we need to fix that. So I've been growing it because I really wanted to try these out. So let's get to it. So this is the kit that I got. It has all of like the instructions and everything you need to do right on here, which is actually pretty darn easy. Literally a baby can do it. You have the little waxing kit that you plug in, of course. You put it up to your desired temperature. I normally, to speed things up, put it on the highest one and then lower it later on so I don't burn myself. The cool thing about this is it has the little thing that you put the beans in. So you'll literally just open the pack and then pour it in and then put this back right inside the heating thing and leave it for like 10 to 15 minutes. It also comes with these little sticks and a cover to cover it up at the end so it kind of gets hot. It gets like, you know, kind of cooks it a little bit, you know. It comes with 4 different scents or flavors, whatever you want to call it. There is honey, azulene, which I think is a flower, lavender, and then rose. So I'm excited to do this. And then afterwards, you literally heat it up, you get it on the stick, you put it on your hand, and you do not need like those strips. You just rip it off. Well, that sounds kind of like OD, but you take it off. I guess rip it off is the correct thing, but you rip it off and it is not painless, but it is a lot easier and faster. Let's try this out. I thought it would be like clear, but it's actually a pretty creamy consistency. It's not like regular wax, you can kind of see through it. This one is a little bit more creamy, so you can't really see through it like that. I'll blow it a little bit. Let's do it right here. Not terrible. Ooh. Let's see how this is gonna go. Not bad. Alright, we'll leave it for 5 seconds. Which I think is good. Oh, it's already hard. Like, you can't even like, wow, that's good. So I'm gonna go ahead and peel this. Wow, you don't even need to like pull on it though, for real. Like, you just, it kind of hurts. You just peel it off. This is very easy. I like that a lot. Wow! There is all of my hair. Just did it on that small piece at first. I'm gonna actually get into it because I feel a little bit more comfortable. I feel like as I'm applying it, I should apply it a little bit thicker on this side. That way it's easier for me to scoop it up. But it does work. So I'm pretty happy with that. This is great. I like this a lot. It's so much easier than having to do it with the whole like wax strip and then you waste the wax strips and then you run out of wax strips. This is very cool. So you leave it on for 5 seconds and then you rip it off. Very good. I like that a lot. It definitely does work. You can see my hand is doesn't have a lot of hair on it. Like so. But you see, you don't want to shear it out at the end. You really want it to pick up at the end, so that way, and it's easier for you to pick it up. And there you go, it's hard already. And you can literally just peel it off. You don't even have to like rip it off. You literally just peel it off. I love that it's already dry. Like, that makes me so happy. Alright, let's see. Let's peel this off. See what I'm talking about? Like this little section here, you want to make sure it's thick so it's not like too like stuck or too close to the skin. And look, I'm literally just gonna peel this off. Didn't rip it, didn't pull it too hard, and everything is just clean. Alright you guys, let's get a little personal up in here. I'm about to wax my armpits. Ah! So I recently waxed it and now it is growing back, so I wanted to do it again. I took a shower, you guys, don't be too grossed out. So let's try this out. This can go really bad really fast, so I'm very nervous to do this. I hope you guys enjoy. Bro, my armpit hair grows like all over the place. So I'm gonna actually do it this way. So we're gonna go ahead and apply the wax in the opposite direction. I am so nervous. I can't really see what's happening right now. Oh god, you guys, I am so nervous right now. 5 seconds. Alright, let's try this. Let's go ahead and see what this is all about, you guys. Oh my god. That was good. That was so good. I didn't really hurt that much. I'm so excited. Oh my god, I'm so excited. It has a few little stragglers, but for the most part, it picked up so much. You guys, if this makes me stop shaving, I'm literally lit. Yes. Oh wow. All right, let's try the top now. Oh god, I'm so nervous. The top usually hurts the most. I'm sure some of you guys know. Alright, let's do this. It also tickles the most. Oh wow. I want to make it nice and thick so it'll rip off good. Alright, you guys, are you guys ready? I just want to get it all over so I can do one big rip. Alright, here we go. Are you guys ready? Oh shit. Wow, clean as a whistle. Oh my god, I'm so excited. Oh wow. So you guys, I am also going to do my chin. As you guys can see, I do have a little bit of hair right there. Let it dry a bit. Hold it taut and then rip it out. It works. It definitely does work. I like that. So this is all that I use. This is from my armpits. Kind of gross. I apologize. If I had to use strips, it would have been so much. So I really enjoy this. I kind of messed up my little pot a little bit, but I gotta clean that somehow. But I pretty much used most of the wax. I'm gonna leave this in here because you can definitely reuse this. So I'm just gonna leave that in there. Quite a few of you on Instagram have some concerns about the whole beading kit, so I wanted to answer them while I'm still doing it. So a lot of the questions are, does it hurt? Does it work? Is it really true? Does it really hurt? Like, don't lie. And it does not hurt as much as regular waxing. Now I want you guys to listen to my words very carefully. If you have a very low pain tolerance, anything that is removing something by a little bit of force, of course, will hurt you. If you're used to getting regularly waxed, you will find that this is actually a lot easier and it does not hurt as much compared to regular waxing. But again, it's all pain tolerance. What I can say is that it is very easy. This is all of what I did, which is great because if I actually had to use regular strips, like this shit would be done. But I used one of these baggies for both of my arms and my underarms. So I think that was really good. It does last. It's just right on the end of it right now. So I think this is enough to do like the rest of my arm up here. My skin is very sensitive in terms of like breaking out or having a reaction. I have not had a reaction while using this, so I feel like for sensitive skin on those terms, like whether you break out or have a reaction, it is not going to react negatively on you. But again, if your skin is sensitive in terms of you don't deal well with pain, then you might have an issue. But I honestly say try it out if you have a friend that has it or if you want to pick it up. You can also get just the beads. If you guys finish out these little packets of beads, they have big packs of beads that are selling that you can just kind of buy and refill and reuse, which I think are great. They don't run more than like maybe $20, $25, barely $30 at most. And then right after you finish doing the wax, you could just go ahead and rub some baby oil on your skin and then go ahead and jump in the shower or just let the baby oil sink in for a bit and then shower. That's just how I personally do it. Again, if you don't try it, you'll never know. I would absolutely recommend trying it. And yeah, that's about it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give this a thumbs up if you guys do like it and you want more videos with hair removal. Hair removal videos have been very popular with me, so I'm very excited about that. So I'm excited to bring this to you guys right now. Alright, so I'll talk to you guys in another video. Make sure you go ahead and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Follow me on all my socials. Also, if you guys want to see me wax John, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. I'm so excited to do it. Hopefully I can convince him. If you guys want to see him do it, leave a comment down below. I think it's going to be super duper fun. So let me know down below. Yay! I'll talk to you guys later. Bye!